Welcome back to Everyday Nuggets. Today, we're going to explore something that has become a viral sensation on social media: Dubai chocolate. But here's the thing: Dubai chocolate isn't actually what most people think it is. It's not a type of chocolate exclusive to Dubai, and it's not a secret recipe that's been guarded for centuries. Instead, it's a masterclass in modern marketing, a phenomenon that shows how a single video can change the entire world's perception of a product. If you've been on TikTok, Instagram, or any social platform recently, you've probably seen videos of luxurious chocolate being dramatically poured over ice cream, cakes, and other desserts in upscale restaurants. These videos are mesmerizing. The chocolate cascading down, the golden hues, the luxury of it all. But that theatrical pouring you see is just one small part of the larger Dubai chocolate story. Let's start with the actual beginning. In 2021, a British-Egyptian entrepreneur named Sarah Hamouda founded Fix Dessert Chocolatier in Dubai. While running this artisanal chocolate shop, Hamouda had a pregnancy craving for nafe, a traditional Middle Eastern dessert made with crispy pastry, gooey white cheese, and pistachio. Rather than just ordering the conventional treat, she decided to create a chocolate version of it. The result was the "Can't Get Nafe of It" bar, carefully crafted chocolate filled with pistachio, tahini, and kataifi pastry that perfectly captured the essence of the original dessert. For nearly 2 years, this chocolate bar remained a relatively unknown luxury item, available primarily through Fix's Dubai location and limited online orders. It was beautiful, delicious, and expensive, but it wasn't famous. Then everything changed in December 2023. A Ukrainian food influencer named Maria Vahera posted a brief video to TikTok. The video showed her opening and biting into the Dubai chocolate bar. The way the bar broke open, the rich filling spilling out, the contrast between the crispy exterior and gooey center. It was perfectly designed for the algorithm. Maria Vahera's single TikTok video accumulated over 130 million views, making it one of the most viral food videos in social media history. Suddenly, people around the world wanted to experience this chocolate bar themselves. They wanted to open it, film it, taste it, and share their reactions. The hashtag Dubai chocolate began trending globally. Influencers, content creators, and ordinary food enthusiasts were all racing to get their hands on this mysterious chocolate bar. In the single hour following Maria Vahera's video going viral, Fix Dessert Chocolatier received 30,000 orders. Their online ordering platform crashed due to the surge in traffic. The company, which had been handcrafting approximately 500 chocolate bars per day before the viral moment, suddenly couldn't keep up. They received more orders in 60 minutes than they typically filled in 2 months. Rather than panicking, Fix made a strategic decision that would cement Dubai chocolate status as a luxury collectible. They didn't scale up production. Instead, they maintained their limited, handcrafted production at around 500 bars per day. They released their product through Deliveroo at specific times, 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. UAE time, with each batch selling out within minutes. Customers around the world set alarms on their phones to try to snag a chocolate bar before they sold out. In the luxury game, availability is the enemy of desire. By maintaining tight control over production and creating a sense of scarcity, Fix transformed the chocolate bar from a treat into a collectible. When Maria Vahera's video dropped, it exemplified something fundamental about modern consumption. These aren't just treats to be eaten, they're experiences to be shared, photographed, and displayed. Owning a Dubai chocolate bar became a symbol of being in the know, of being connected to a global trend, and of having access to something rare and desirable. In luxury markets, high prices can actually increase desirability rather than decrease it. This counterintuitive effect occurs because price becomes a proxy for quality and exclusivity. When someone charges thousands for chocolate, We believe it must be extraordinary. The prestige of Dubai itself contributes. Dubai has become a global shorthand for luxury, so products associated with it automatically gain status. Then there's the presentation. Dubai chocolates typically come in elaborate packaging, handcrafted wooden boxes, gold-embossed containers, or crystal displays. The unboxing experience becomes part of the luxury narrative, something carefully designed for the social media age. This creates a feedback loop. The more these chocolates appear in aspirational content, the more desirable they become, which drives more social sharing. It's marketing brilliance that turns consumers into brand ambassadors. While theatrical chocolate pouring is available at various establishments around Dubai, the viral sensation wasn't about the presentation. It was about the product. The chocolate bar went global first, and theatrical presentations came later as secondary inspiration. Premium establishments utilize high-quality couverture chocolate with a high cocoa butter content, resulting in a smooth, flowing consistency. Common varieties include dark chocolate, 55 to 70% cocoa, milk chocolate, and occasionally white chocolate or flavored variations. What's interesting is that while the name suggests Dubai origin, cocoa beans come from traditional cocoa-producing regions like West Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia, not the Middle East, where the climate is unsuitable for cocoa cultivation. We're already seeing evolution in the Dubai chocolate space. Several brands now emphasize ethical sourcing and environmental responsibility, recognizing that modern luxury consumers increasingly value these attributes. We're also witnessing fusion between traditional Middle Eastern flavors and Western chocolate-making techniques, creating distinctive products that justify premium pricing through innovation. The Dubai chocolate phenomenon shows that in modern commerce, perception is reality. It's not just about the product, it's about the story, the experience, and the social capital it provides. A chocolate bar created to satisfy a pregnancy craving became a global phenomenon because it told a compelling story, looked beautiful on camera, and arrived at precisely the right moment on social media. So next time you see Dubai chocolate trending, you'll understand that you're looking at much more than just chocolate. You're witnessing a masterclass in modern marketing where a single video, one influencer, and a well-executed scarcity strategy combined to create a global phenomenon. Thank you for watching another episode of Everyday Nuggets. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe for more videos. If you have suggestions for other everyday things you'd like to know about, please leave them in the comments below. Stay curious.